to do music close to midnight. I am. I have to fix this for you first. Mary, did you know Granny? Mary, did you know Granny? That's kind of funny. So you're going to start doing comedy? On the line. Mary, did you know Granny? Mary, did you know Granny? I don't know if she knew Granny or not. I know Jesus. Jesus, I know. Mary, I don't know. Come on, Mary.
God's mom.
Stop it.
Mary is God's mom.
Jesus' mom, yeah. And oh my goodness, she is something else here. I ain't telling you the truth.
Did you know, Granny?
That is not funny.
Where did you know, Granny?
Stop it.
Where did you know, Granny?
No, I didn't know. But I'm about to know because I'm finna sing it. Okay, quit laughing. I'm about to sing it. We know I can't use the sound, so I have to sing it. Keep working. Ouch. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you deliver will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will calm the storm in his hands? Did you know that your baby boy walked oh Lord, angels trump. When you kiss the little baby, you kiss the face of God. Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know?
The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the blind will live again.
The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb.
I was trying to get as loud as
Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy, heaven's perfect lamb, that sleeping child you're holding, is the great